Welcome to the latest motorcycle news. Today, we're diving into the evolution of the Honda CB500X, a bike that has quietly won the hearts of riders for a decade. The CB500X, introduced back in 2013, has been the unsung hero of Honda's twin-cylinder lineup. This crossover adventure bike added a new dimension to the light middleweight class. Right from the beginning, it silently proved its worth. How? Well, it all came down to a simple equation. A lively twin-cylinder engine with real torque, a fantastic low-end drive, and the ability to rev high. All of this complemented by a comfortable chassis. The CB500X nailed it. Versatility is the name of the game with the CB500X. It effortlessly transitioned from a daily commuter to a weekend touring machine. Its long travel suspension smoothed out bumpy roads, while the wide handlebars gave the rider excellent control. The upright riding position provided both comfort and great visibility. Over the years, the COVALENTC1B50OX has seen several updates. In 2016, it got a larger fuel tank, more wind protection, LED lighting, and adjustable components. Then, the 2019 version took it up a notch with more advanced adventure styling, improved engine performance, and various chassis enhancements. Now, in 2024, the CB500X's formula is evolving but not losing its essence. It's been reborn with a new name, the NX500. This new bike has a distinctive character. Aggressive styling, premium technology, and several upgrades to keep its journey alive in the hearts of European riders. Let's dive into the model overview of the 2024 NX500. The NX name has history with Honda, and it continues to represent versatility. This new NX500 lives up to it with its new X-Over spirit. This bike is ready for winding roads, gravel trails, and long journeys. Upgrades to the adventure styling, lighter wheels, and suspension enhancements add to its all-around capabilities. Now, let's talk about some key features of the NX500. Its sharp adventure style focuses on aerodynamics to improve stability at high speeds. The new LED headlight ensures excellent visibility at night. The 5-inch full-color TFT screen includes Honda RoadSync connectivity, offering turn-by-turn navigation and smartphone access. It's all at your fingertips with simplified left-hand switchgear. Comfort is crucial, and the NX500 delivers. With its slim seat profile and user-friendly features, it's easy to manage and provides excellent ground reach. The A2-compliant engine now boasts Honda Selectable Torque Control, HSTC, and AQ updates for better acceleration. Let's not forget about the chassis. The NX500 rocks a 41mm Showa separate function fork big piston, SFFBP, USD forks and new, lighter wheels. Dual 296mm discs and Nissan axial mount 2-piston calipers ensure precise braking. The engine is the heart of any bike, and the NX500's twin-cylinder powerplant is lively. With the addition of Honda Selectable Torque Control, HSTC, it's ready to tackle any adventure. Improved PGM-FI settings and an assist slipper clutch further enhance the riding experience. Finally, the NX500 offers a range of genuine Honda accessories to customize your adventure experience. Choose from adventure, travel, urban, or comfort packs to enhance your ride with style, storage, and comfort. And that's a wrap on the evolution of the Honda CB500X, now reborn as the NX500. It's a bike that keeps getting better and promises to continue capturing the hearts of riders across Europe. Thanks for joining us in today's motorcycle news. Until next time, ride safe.